Today we're joined by Ben Harris, Executive Director of the Symphony of Northwest Arkansas, to share details about this year's July 4th fireworks spectacular at the Walmart Amp. It is a fan favorite. From great music to fireworks, it's a community celebration that you won't want to miss. Welcome.
Thanks so much for having me.
Absolutely. So first, let's kick things off. What can folks expect at this year's fireworks spectacular?
Well, as always, they can expect great music from SoNA. And so this program is always really special for us because it's an opportunity to play music by a lot of American composers and a lot of patriotic music. So that's always really nice.
Yeah, and why do you think that this event is such a beloved local tradition?
I think because of that, because of the the patriotic aspect of it, as well as the feature on American composers is not something that we always get to do. So it's a real treat for us to be able to do this.
How do the music and the fireworks create a special experience when kind of coupled together?
Well, it just makes for a bigger and better event. You know, we don't often have fireworks, especially when we're typically playing inside a concert hall. So it's really fun for us to be able to play at an outdoor venue where we have an opportunity to do something different like that and make a bigger spectacle.
I wasn't even thinking about that, but does it throw you guys off at all with all of the booms?
Well, fortunately,
and
we're done by the time the fireworks get started,
Okay.
so that they don't really overlap. One
Right.
feeds right into the other. So it's that would throw everybody off, I think.
Where can people get tickets for this exciting event?
Tickets are available at amptickets.com, and they're $4 now and then $10 day of.
Okay.
So if you buy your tickets early, you get a better price.
Well, we talked about it being a fan favorite, a tradition for many families, but do you have any tips for families or first-timers that are coming out?
Sure, you'll want to come early. We actually have an opening act this year, a barbershop quartet called the Decibel Daddies are going to be doing a set at 7:15. That's going to be a lot of fun. And then SoNA takes the stage right at 8 o'clock.
Is it an emotional experience for you to be a part of this?
Absolutely, especially when we do the Armed Forces salute, when we recognize the divisions of the military. That's always really special for us.
Yeah, I assume that's probably a highlight for you. Is there anything else from this experience that you walk away with every year that you just go, man, that tugged on my heartstrings?
Well, sure. It's always a lot of fun to get to play for people that may not normally come to see us in a traditional concert hall. So to play at the Amp is a real treat for us because it exposes us to a new audience.
Yeah, absolutely. How do you want people to walk away from this experience?
I want them to walk away just feeling good and having a great time and enjoying some great American music.
Yeah. Well, I know that they will. I had a great time this morning with you. Thank you so much. And
Thank you.
If you guys stick with us on our sister station later, you may hear some fun tunes. I don't know, maybe a little sneak peek of that quartet. I don't know.
That's what I hear.
That's what I hear too.